Ginger here. I want to give you 3 do's and 3 don'ts in better virtual connecting tactics. It's really important that your audience, the person watching this, just like you're watching this today, really feels connected. It's entirely possible, and there are some things we need to watch for and watch out for. Let's do the watch out fors first. 3 of a long list include: don't be a disembodied head. We don't need any more floaties. Don't do that. Back up and show more of yourself, because what we're really trying to do is emulate the in-person experience. When you show more of yourself from about your waist or your belly button up, you will accomplish that. So don't be a disembodied head. Show more of yourself as much as possible. Number 2, if you're the host, and even if you're the presenter, please don't waste your audience's valuable time giving your bio. If they want to know about you, send them somewhere else. Send them to your website. Send them something afterwards. Send them something beforehand. This precious time, just like in person, is truly that. It's precious. Don't waste time on a bio that they can look up in another way, simply, easily, and if they want to. Otherwise, you're droning on and on about you when that has nothing to do with the audience. Number 3, don't rely on slides. Slides in PowerPoint were invented to enhance, to augment. When you attend a presentation where it's death by slide, you know what I'm talking about. If it's death by slide, you're doing something hugely wrong. You can correct it instantly. Don't rely on slides. Use them if you use them only sparingly. 2 or 3 to emphasize some key points or words, contact information. This isn't about you and your sales pitch. This is about how people get a better experience. That's what connecting is. So those are 3 don'ts. Here's 3 do's. 3 do's to better virtually connect. Number 1, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Because too many times we sit, and when we sit, our body contracts. We tend to go shoulders forward, or at least we stay in one spot. We're not interesting to watch, frankly, when we're sitting. When we stand up, our body responds differently. We're able to move around. We're able to stay looser. If you're a presenter, if you're a teacher, if you're a speaker like I am, that actually helps give you more positive energy. And it certainly gives people on the receiving end something more interesting to watch. So stand up. Directly related to that is number 2, be animated. Move your fine self around. Don't stand there and drone on like a lecturer, darling. No, be animated. Use your hands. I can't talk without my hands. Maybe you have a few select props, like I have these cue cards, these laminated flashcards. Whew, yeah, find something that makes it interesting. If you're an author, have your book. So be animated on screen. Give people something lively and interesting to look at. We don't watch fish bowls on YouTube. We watch fish swimming around. Number 3, do the love seat. That song just popped in your head, bonus points. Do the love seat. Here's what I mean. Instead of hot seating or spotlighting or barbecuing, goodness forbid, people, grilling them is what you're doing, quite literally. They don't like that. What they do like is being love seated. Here's what I mean. Doing the love seat helps people know that you're highlighting them, that you are featuring them in a positive way. Even if you unexpectedly call on them and give them a question, make sure it's a question you know that they can answer. For example, what was one great thing about your weekend? What's one thing you're looking forward to? If you could travel tomorrow, where would you go? That's called a love seat. That enhances the experience for everybody present. So when you focus on some good do's and not doing the don'ts, you're going to give better virtual presentations. You're going to connect better. That's the name of the game, because life, my friends, is powered by connection. Until next time, remember, it's always a great day to connect.